In this video, I will show you how to use gift card on Grubhub when ordering. First, visit the Grubhub website and tap on your profile icon from the upper right corner. Then click on Account. Then click on Gift Cards from the left pane. Then click on Redeem a gift card. Then follow the on-screen prompts to enter your gift card code and then add the balance to your account. Method 2. Navigate to the Grubhub website and click on your profile icon. Click on Account Gift Cards. Click on Redeem a gift card option. Follow the on-screen instruction to enter your gift card code, add to the balance to your account. Choose the desired item you want to order and click on Continue to check out. Then click on Pay with the gift card. Enter your gift card code in the field and click on Add to my account. After this, your Grubhub gift will be linked to your Grubhub account and applied to your total order. That's how you can use gift card on Grubhub when ordering.